कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं। बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं। Switzerland has a very special place in every Indian's heart. Having said that, it is one of the most beautiful countries in Europe and also in the world. However, it is so damn expensive. Be it food, be it travel, be it staying in a hotel, everything is so expensive in Switzerland.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Top 5. I am Ray and today I'll be talking about the 5 very important factors with which you can save a lot of money in your Switzerland trip. Number 1, transport. Now, the most of the videos that you'll find in YouTube or in the blogs, they will talk about the public transports, the trains in Switzerland which are so beautiful. But these trains in Switzerland are super damn expensive. For a single person, it will cost you more than 400 CHF. And moreover, they do not cover all the different modes of transport that you have in the country. For example, the gondola rides or the mountain trains or the fun cooler, they don't cover those. A much cheaper alternative is hiring a car. You can get the car from the airport itself and you can drop them at the airport. That way, your transfer from the airport to the city also would be handled by your own car. All you need is an international driving permit, and then you can simply take the car. This makes sense, especially if more than one person is traveling. If you and your partner is traveling or you're traveling with a group, hiring a car makes a much better option and a cheaper alternative. The cost of hiring the car along with its fuel as well as its parking tickets would cost you as good as rail pass for one person. So you can do the math now yourself. If two-person is traveling, how much you can save? If four-person is traveling, how much you can save? That's the kind of savings I'm talking about. Point number two, food. Food in Switzerland is not a typical delicacy. Other than cheese fondue or the Swiss chocolates, it does not have a lot to offer. So thus, it does not make sense to eat out in the restaurant more often. And restaurants would be very expensive. Instead of that, a much cheaper alternative are the supermarkets. They have this cooperative led supermarkets, Coop or Migros, and you'll find them in every corner of the country. In every small cities or the villages also you'll find this Coop and Migros, and you can buy ready-made food from there. Salads, sandwiches or pre-cooked meal, pizza, you'll find everything there. And they are a much cheaper alternative. Just imagine for if you're traveling for 8 days, 2 meals a day, how much you can save there. Point number three, how to save money in your stay. Stay, be it hotel or Airbnb, it's very expensive in Switzerland. Let's face it. And if you're taking public transport, trains and bus as your mode of transport, you have to stay on the main roads. You have to stay inside the city. You have to stay near the train stations. And those hotels and Airbnb, mind you, my friend, is going to be very expensive. The cheaper alternative is linked to point number one, which is hiring your own car. If you have your own car, you can stay off the road. You can stay at a distance from the bus stations or busy neighborhoods. That way, you will be able to save a lot of money. Just imagine if you're able to save $50 per day, the kind of savings you can have over your entire period of stay. That's the kind of savings I'm talking about. Coming to point number four. Now, this is interesting. Tap water in Switzerland is pretty much drinkable and it follows some global standards of drinking water. There are lots of taps that the government has installed across the cities in various places so that everyone can, while hiking, while walking, they can simply drink from that fountain. All you need to do is carry a bottle with you and you can refill it on your way. We stayed in Switzerland for 10 days. We all drank fountain water or the tap water and it was pretty much safe. None of us fell ill.
Thus, you can save some money, and also in the same go, you can save the environment by not polluting it with more plastic bottles.
Point number five. Here you won't be able to save your money, but you will get the value for your money. If you're going to Switzerland, definitely you'll go to the top of the mountains like Mount Titlis or Jungfrau, you'll definitely go there. But the weather conditions there fluctuate a lot. Even if it is summer, it might be that on the top of the mountain the weather is bad, a storm going or something. That is why do not book your tickets in advance. A day or 2 days before you travel, see the weather map and then get your tickets for the top of the mountains. That way, if you, when you are taking the gondola or you're taking the mountain train, your money is not wasted. Trust me, you do not want to get to the top of the mountain and see hailstorm or just see white background. That's not what Switzerland is for. These are the top 5 ways in which you can save money while your trip in Switzerland. Enjoy your trip. Have a nice holiday. If you like my video, please subscribe, like my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.